wiring up your car. There's a couple options. You have, you can use these long wires, alligator clips, to connect the two, because you'll notice these don't have any alligator clips on them. And so a couple options. One is to just directly connect this over to one of these. Right, so we can connect the wires using these longer wires, but the problem is that's a lot of wire that's sitting around on your car. So yeah, you can do this, but where do you put all this stuff? So again, that's the simplest. I will say it's the simplest though. If you're going to do that strategy, then what I recommend is that you put your wires together like this, wrap them. Do you have some tape? Oh, right next to you. Right. And wrap them up so that the ends, magic tape dispenser, this is awesome. Like this, so that you have one on each end, and now it's a more reasonable amount of material to work with. So this does work, and you can just then hook these up like we did before. And again, you want to make sure you have one of each color on each end. That way you connect these two to the battery pack and these two to the motor. Option one, simplest. Option two is to add alligator clips to your battery pack. And I was just playing with it. I was trying to make it as simple as possible by just putting these in, and they will fall out sometimes. So on this, you want to make sure that that metal piece is touching. So I try to wrap it around as best I can in there. And then there's these little flanges on here that you have to squish down and hold the wire in place. Should be wearing my glasses so I can see this stuff. So give it a good squish, and now that's in there. This can pull out. I just had one that did, but most of the time it won't. These are the same alligator clips, but they have a little black rubber coating on it, and you want that because you don't want these two to touch. If these two metal pieces touch, let's say you just had, oh, and to get this out, it can be a little tricky sometimes to get it out. So what I do is I pinch the alligator clip, I let the alligator clip pinch my fingers, and then you can pull it out of this little housing piece. Oh, I did it on the wrong one, didn't I? Don't make my mistake. But you've got the little black housing. You really should put it on the black wire. That way it's more consistent for the students. But you put the housing on first, and then you connect up this wire just like you did the last one. What I was talking about. Same thing. Pinch down these little tabs so that they're folded over the wire. Come on now. It's a great task to do while you're in a staff meeting and it's really boring because it's mindless, but it takes time. And then again, pinch the alligator clip, get your finger stuck in it so it stays open like this, and then you can slip this over like that. The reason why you have this rubber on at least one, you could do it on both, but it's just a lot more work, is to make sure that these metal parts don't touch. If the metal parts touch, when you have a battery pack in here, you have an open circuit, and electricity will run through it. These will heat up. They can melt the battery packs. I've seen that happen. They can also have the batteries rupture and leak battery acid all over the place, which is no fun. But once you have these on here, it's really hard for these to connect. I mean, you have to somehow get them in a situation where they're head-to-head like this, which isn't going to happen naturally. This little rubberized thing could fall down, I suppose, like this, and then they could touch. So just be careful about that. Another option that you can do